Hey everybody, Jeremy here with Polar Air Compressor. Now if you're running one of our pressure lube pumps here and you happen to notice that maybe it's not building pressure up top like it should, the likely cause of that is actually that the compressor has sat for too long and the oil has all drained down to the bottom of the crankcase, allowing more air to get into the pump. To fix this, all you're going to have to do is prime the pump, and it's a very simple process. We're going to walk you through it now. Now to prime the pump, the first step is to actually drain out about 30 milliliters of oil. That's roughly about an ounce. Now with your pressure lube pump series that you have, you should have gotten one of your oil priming bottles. And that's what we're going to put the oil in. So start out with 2 wrenches, one to hold the valve in place and the other one to remove the drain plug. So remove your drain plug and set it aside. Next, take your oil priming bottle, remove the top, and open the drain valve, letting out roughly about an ounce of oil. Next, close off your drain valve, let the excess oil finish dripping off, and then wipe off the excess. Replace the top onto your priming bottle, and then replace the drain plug. Again, make sure to snug it, not torque it. Now that we have the oil drained and the plug reinstalled and everything cleaned up, we're going to move to this fitting right here above the oil pressure gauge. Now on this one in particular has one of the brass fittings that has an easy to unscrew top on here with a hole on the very top of it. That hole is the same size as this priming bottle. Now if you don't have one of these brass fittings, go ahead and just undo the fitting that's on top there and go ahead and put your priming bottle up top and slowly add the oil back in. It's going to take a minute. Make sure to let it all drain out, otherwise you're going to have oil running all over your compressor. Once you've finished adding the oil back into the system, go ahead and close off this brass valve or go ahead and replace the fitting that you had on top here. Then take your spare rag and go ahead and clean up any excess oil. Now after you start the compressor, you should notice that your pressure gauge here is going to go ahead and start to climb within 15 seconds. On a cold start, normally we'd like to see that pressure be anywhere from about 80 to 120, and once the oil actually warms up, you're going to be anywhere from 20 to 40 psi on that. And that's all that there is to actually going back through and re-priming the pump. With that, you're good to go. Now, if for some reason that does not work, or you have more questions or concerns about anything, be sure to reach out to us through our website at eatoncompressor.com or give us a call at 937-540-1140.